Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Breakfast at Tiffany's. Today, the VSCO girl and me wants to shop at Hollister. And I'm going to see what cute VSCO things they have at Hollister. Every VSCO girl wants a shirt that says Hollister. So I found a super cute one that has stripes. It looks kind of preppy. And then there is this pink one. It's like pinkish purplish. So I love that one. It's super cute. And every VSCO girl loves the smell of Hollister. I love this shirt. It's kind of dressy. They have all of these super cute sweaters and cardigans for fall, and super cute skirts too. And they have super cute puffy jackets for fall. Every VSCO girl needs a puffy jacket for fall. And every VSCO girl likes jeans with a lot of holes in them. So I'm going to be looking at those too. If I get anything, I'm going to do a haul at the end. So these are super cute. Some of you have said that the things I say a VSCO girl likes, a VSCO girl doesn't like. But if you're a true VSCO girl, whatever you like is what a VSCO girl likes. Get it? So you don't just say, oh, VSCO girls like scrunchies, so I have to have a scrunchie. That's if you're trying to be a VSCO girl. But if you already are a VSCO girl, then whatever you like is what VSCO girls like. Get it? So basically, I like this shirt, so a VSCO girl would like it. That's how it works. So anyway, they have all this like body care and face masks. Super cute. I love these oversized sweatshirts. They have this tie-dye one. It's super cute. It has a hood in the back for those rainy days on the beach. And if you love the way Hollister smells, you will love their body care. So they have body mist and they have body lotion. And it smells just like a Hollister store, so it smells super good. I love this gray sweatshirt with the pink seagull. Some people always wonder what kind of bird is on the Hollister logo, and it's a seagull. Hollister is a town in California. It's kind of like a beachy town, I believe. And so seagulls hang out by the beach, and that's why they have a seagull. American Eagle has an eagle. I love this like tiered tie-dye shirt. It's so cute. And I love their slides. And they have the seagull on them. I love these silver ones. I think if they had rose gold, that would be super cute. And they have just some flip-flops. And then if a VSCO girl, she usually likes to have oversized hoodies, oversized tees. So in the men's department, you can find oversized tees, oversized hoodies. And they have some that are super cute.